In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make video advert of any product like this video you are seeing right here. I'm going to show you how you are going to make something like this. It's like this video you are seeing right here. Let me play the video so that you are going to watch how amazing I create the video advert using AI.
Jelly, dry skin, cracked lips, ashy skin, Vaseline Blue Seal has you covered. Made with pure petroleum jelly, it locks in moisture, protects your skin, and keeps you glowing all day. Perfect for Nigeria's weather. Simple, trusted.
Now you have seen the video. I created this video using AI. All you just have to do is just to take an image or you take a photo of the product you want to make advertisement about or any product you want to make video art about. When you take this image, you take it to this new AI tool called Nextify AI. And in this AI tool, you upload your image, you give it a simple prompt, and it's going to generate the entire video for you in less than 1 minute. You don't need to do any work. All you need is just a simple prompt and the image of the product you want to make video about, and this AI to call Nextify AI is going to do the entire work for you. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the process, step-by-step method, how you can follow and create something amazing like this. Any image product, any product you are selling, if you're a digital marketer or you are selling product or you're a business owner and you want to do advertisement or you want to do run ads for your business, you can use this method I'm going to show you right now to start creating ad for your business. Instead of paying people to do this thing for you, paying influencers to do this for you, you can also do it with your smartphone. All you need is just the photo of your product or description of your product with a simple prompt and you get a perfect result. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to do everything. But meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when there's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how you can create amazing videos like this for any product using your smartphone. Let's get started.
Now, the first thing you will do to create that type of video, you go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, anyone you are using, and you go and download this app called ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the app here, ChatGPT. If you don't have the app on your phone, make sure you install this application on your phone. So if you install the application on your phone, you open it. When you open it, it will ask you to register. After you successfully register, it will bring you to an interface like this. Now, the first thing you are going to do, you see this plus icon here. You touch it. Now, when you touch it, you are going to see camera. Now, you click on camera. Now, if you have your product in your hand, for example, this is the product I want to make video about. I'll just take a picture of the product. Now, after taking the picture of the product, the next thing I'm going to do is to paste this prompt here. This prompt here, this is what I'll tell ChatGPT. I'll say, I want you to act like a professional prompt engineer. Write me a 15-second video prompt for a digital marketing, creating and engaging prompt to promote this, let's say, to promote this image product to Nigerian. The message should be under 15 seconds and let it be engaging. Let it be engaging and informative. Now, after you write this, you click on continue. Now, when you click on continue, you give it some minutes and ChatGPT is going to write the perfect prompt we are going to use right now for us. Now, see what ChatGPT is writing for us. If you don't have this AI tool, make sure you get it on your phone right now. Now, this is the everything ChatGPT gave to us. Now, we are going to copy everything from beginning here, from this thing here. We copy it till the end shot here. Now we click on copy. Now after we copy everything, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to this website. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to this website, and the link to this website, I'm going to leave down the link to this website in the description of this video. The first link is to be the link of this website. We click on it and you register. When you register, you are going to see where it will say AD video generator, as you can see here. Now we are going to put our reference image. Now let's put the image here. Let's put the image we generated. Let's upload the image. Now we have uploading the image. Now we have successfully uploaded the image. Now after we upload the image, the prompt will just copy from ChatGPT moment ago. We are going to paste the prompt. Now after pasting the prompt, you scroll up. Now you select your video ratio. As you can see, you leave this at Sora 2 Pro. We'll take it to Sora 2 Pro, as you can see, Sora 2 Pro, so that it will look quality. Then we select our video ratio. We have to, if you want to use it for your TikTok, you have to put it on TikTok. If you want to use it for YouTube, you put it on YouTube. For example, I want to use this for TikTok, you put it on TikTok. Now you select your video duration, you leave it at, you put it at 15 seconds. Now your quality, leave it at 1080p. Then your generation result, leave it at 1. Now after you fill everything, you are going to see generate here. As you can see, generate. Now you tap on generate. Now it's generating already. We have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate. Now as you can see, say a few seconds to go, a few seconds go. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for us, and you are going to see how amazing the video is going to look like. Let's give it some minutes. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Let's wait for it to continue the video. Now our video has complete. As you can see, this is the video here. This is the video. This is the image I gave to him, an image of a cream. Now the next thing we are going to do, let's play it and see how the result is. Let's play it and see how it is.
Jelly, dry skin, cracked lips, ashy skin, Vaseline Blue Seal has you covered. Made with pure petroleum jelly, it locks in moisture, protects your skin, and keeps you glowing all day. Perfect for Nigeria's weather. Simple, trusted.
Now you can see this is how the video is. You can see the result. You can create something amazing like this. If you have a product you want to promote, or you are a business owner, you are selling product, or you just want to promote a product and you want to do advertisement for your product, you don't need to go and pay people to do it. You can do this with yourself. You can do this by yourself with this new AI tool. You just get the prompt and follow the method I show you right now, and you upload it and you download it to your phone. So you can send this to your social media account. You can post it on your Instagram, your TikTok, or your Facebook Reels, and you'll be making a lot of sales by doing this. And even if you are not a business owner, companies can reach out to you, brands can reach out to you so that you can do this type of video for them. And when you are doing it, they are also going to pay you. Don't forget, the link to this platform is going to be in the description of this video. So go and click on the link and you register and you start using the platform to create video advert for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.